Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly convert rows into columns in Excel using the Paste Special Transpose feature. First, use your mouse to highlight the entire dataset that you want to rotate. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy the data range into your clipboard. Next, click on a completely empty cell on your worksheet where you want the newly rotated table to begin. Ensure there is plenty of open space below and to the right so you don't accidentally overwrite existing numbers. Right-click that empty destination cell to open the context menu. Look inside the Paste Options row and click on the Transpose icon. It is the small graphic showing a clipboard with two arrows pointing down and to the right. Excel will instantly paste the data, flipping your horizontal row headers into vertical column headers and realigning all your data points to match the new grid structure perfectly. And that's it! Your spreadsheet layout is now perfectly rotated and organized. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.